Hey y'all, it's me, Mila B, and today I am going to be doing a eyebrow video and also celebrating 2K. So I will be doing a giveaway somewhere in this video. So first off, I want to say thank you guys for allowing me or helping me get to 2K. I'm excited. So thank you so much, and thank y'all for showing me so much love on all of my brow videos, my nail videos, everything. If you come here for the brow videos, go ahead and scroll over to my nails and hair and all of that so you can get the whole me, the life, everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started because I don't want to take all day. I will be doing my hair, so don't look at my hair. So basically the point of today's video, I'm going to be testing out how long these brows last, and I'm just gonna make like a week-long vlog or until they fall off, okay? So I've gotten a lot of tips in the comment section about how to make these last longer, how to get a better application, all of these things. So basically I'm putting all of those things to test today. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm using this 91% alcohol that I got from Walmart, like $1, probably under $1. And I'm just gonna rub my brows first and make sure that I remove all oil or any, anything that could be on. Y'all, it's burning my eyes. Woo, child. Whew, okay, so I'm removing all of that off of my brows. My face is clean. I washed it earlier, but oil picks up and different things. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna wipe the whole area, okay? So that's first. That was one tip that I saw a lot of people say or whatever. So there we go. The other thing that I saw, people were like kind of just, take a spoolie and brush your brows this way. I don't really want to do mine that way. And the only reason why I'm saying that is because my brows going like 10 different directions. I feel like I get the best natural flow of my brows just by doing this. So I'm gonna skip that tip. But if it don't work, we're gonna see if that's the reason why. So I am revisiting some old, these were my favorite out of the tattoo because I like the shape better. I know y'all, if you see my first video, you know I hated the shape. This shape, I like it. It's a little big. But what I think I'm gonna do, because I kept seeing you guys' comments, last time I cut around here. So what I'm gonna do this time is I'm actually, oh Lord, what did you put on these scissors, girl? I'm gonna be right back. Let me go get some clean scissors. All right, so I just cleaned these scissors off. The next thing I did notice, oh my gosh, I got alcohol everywhere. Ooh, this might be a problem. We're gonna find out. A lot of people were saying make sure that you cut actually on the actual brow tattoo. So just get as close as possible and actually cut on it. I saw that people were saying that that gave them more of a natural look because it kind of hid the cast from the outside edges of the tattoo. So I'm gonna cut slightly, basically on the line of where the tattoo is, pretty much, okay? So we gonna see, So if this comes out better, I'm gonna keep these on as long as possible. I have somewhere to go in 2 days. So if they're ugly, y'all, I'm telling y'all right now, I'm gonna take them home. But I'm gonna try to take one for the team. So I got both of them cut out. And this time, instead of putting them on my brow and then just putting a wet towel, I'm actually gonna drop them in some water and allow the paper to get, pretty saturated. And then I'm gonna use my wet towel to apply them to my brows. So I think it's this way, right here. Yeah, this is it. So y'all bear with me as I try to line this up. Let me go get my bigger mirror. So let me see, I'm going to apply this maybe like right there. I'm gonna say right there, because like I told y'all in my first video, once you stick, you got to commit. So try to get it as close as possible. It doesn't have to be perfect. So that's one. Let me put the other one on. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's try this one more time. Okay. All right, so now I'm applying them to my brows. I'm gonna take my wet towel and then I'm gonna wait 60 seconds and see how this comes out. So just wait with me. All right, so while you guys wait, go ahead and check out my website, parkerjayshaircare.com. If you don't know, I make all natural hair, skin, and nail care products. parkerjayshaircare.com. Use the code MILAB to save. Now on to our giveaway. In order to enter the giveaway, you must be following me on all of my social medias, my TikTok, both of my Instagrams, and subscribe to my channel. When you make sure you've done all of those things, then make sure you comment your Instagram or TikTok or some way that I can connect with you in the comment section, and then you'll be entered for our giveaway. And I forgot the most important part. I will be giving away some free brow goodies, so make sure that you enter. I'll be announcing the winner December 15th. All right, now let's see how these look. Let's see. Okay. I feel like they went down a lot smoother this time, and I don't see that line of demarcation. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let these dry. I'm gonna put on my makeup, get ready. I have to go somewhere. And then I'm gonna show y'all, I'm gonna completely skip these brows up when I apply my makeup, just to kind of see like how they actually look. And then I'm gonna do everything, and then I'm gonna come back right before I leave, and then I'm just gonna record myself this week and see how it goes, okay? All right, y'all, so good morning. These are my brows. Y'all don't laugh. I'm trying not to laugh. This one is peeling off right here. I don't know. This one's peeling really on the edge right there. This one is fine, but it's still a little shiny. So, I mean, with makeup, you can't tell, but without makeup, you can tell. And if you don't know me, like, I wear makeup only when I'm going somewhere, like somewhere, not to the grocery store, not to drop my kids off at school. So this is realistic of what I had last time. This is more, this eye is peeling. So let me get close so y'all can see. All right, so this is day 2. All right, y'all, so I just got out of the shower. You can see. Now this is my second shower with these. My first one, I didn't have this issue. I'm gonna try to pat them gently to try to recoup, but this is what I'm working with. So I'm about to go out crazy looking because that looks a mess. It looks a horrible mess. Okay. We have reached the end of our journey. Y'all see that? I'm just gonna peel it because at this point, I'm not going out looking like that. I did not have this peel so quick on me last time, so I don't know. But this eyebrow is still intact. Like, it's really just this one. So I don't know, y'all. I don't know. I don't like how it has this little sticky film, but I almost feel like I'm gonna let that one stay. And I might pencil this one on. I don't know. I don't know what I'm about to do. I'm about to go to school. So I need to figure out something because I can't be out here with half brow, half not brow stuff though, because this is a mess. I'm gonna go get some rubbing alcohol and see if I can get that off. All right, so this alcohol is so strong. It's coming off with this alcohol. So I'm just going to take one for the team and do one brow on, one brow off, and I'll just pencil this in and see what happens. Be back. All right, y'all. So I drew on this eyebrow to kind of match the tattoo brow. So I don't know. Tattoo's still holding on strong though. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up, y'all, because at this point you can see these do last. It's just, I think this one was more of a user error rather than the actual product itself. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I do have an appointment to get my eyebrows ombre powder brow or whatever, micro shading, whatever. So leave me a comment below. Let me know if you've tried that or you're interested in trying it, if y'all want me to film my journey. of getting it done. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, turn on your post notifications, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.